Solid Edge truly supports the contemporary art-to-part concept with additive manufacturing interfaces that drive production of next-generation components. Easy-to-use 3D printing tools embedded within the software allow you to print directly to your own device from your desktop, laptop, or mobile Windows platform. Supporting the mobile design experience, Solid Edge interfaces with the Microsoft 3D Builder platform, allowing you to specify part layout, part quality, and material. This platform will even suggest areas requiring supports for a successful print. Precision printing directly from your desktop to a network printer is a snap with a choice of STL and 3MF formats and options to further customize the result. Preview, set tolerances, reorient. The 3D printing dialog provides all the options you'll need to quickly manufacture your components in any material you require. Don't have a connected 3D printer available? Within Solid Edge, you can access the 3yourmind online industrial 3D printing platform. Upload your part, select a material, and then choose from a menu of manufacturers based on cost, location, and delivery schedule. It's that easy. Solid Edge, shaping the future of product development.